What I want to do in this video is write the algebraic expressions that represent the same thing that these statements are saying. So this first statement, they say the sum of -7 and the quantity 8 times x. So the sum, so we're going to have an addition here, of -7 and the quantity 8 times x. So the quantity 8 times x, well, that's just 8x. So I can just write 8x over there. So it is -7 plus 8x. Or you could view this as the sum of -7 and the quantity 8 times x. Let's do the next one. Take the quantity -3 times x. So take the quantity -3 times x, and then add 1. And then add 1. So the quantity -3 times x, we can write that as -3x. And then we need to add 1 to that. So that's going to be plus 1. Now this one, -6 plus, so we can write -6 plus something, the product of -1 and x. So the product of -1 and x, that's just going to be -1x. -1x, which is the same thing as -x. So we can write this as -6 plus -x, or we can just write this. This is the exact same thing as -6 minus x. And we are done.